2023, we're here. It was touch and go on 2022, I've got to tell you. But here I am, back in my chair. Let's have a little chat. So as some of you may know, I had some medical issues over November and December, and I went into hospital. A couple of days later, I may not have come out, but there we go. That's beside the point. So I had my mesh taken out from my hernia repair, and that was all cleaned up. And now, okay, it's all go, full steam ahead. My stomach has never felt better, at least for the last 10 years anyway. So that's good. So what can we expect coming up in the next year then, in 2023? Well, I'm going to be concentrating on my videos, hopefully, assuming that things allow me to do that in this house. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Just the nature of family life, I'm afraid, and having a disabled child. But we'll give it our all and try and make as much content as we possibly can, and good quality content if we can. I am working on my production values. Hopefully I'll be able to get some new equipment to make it look better, and you never know, may even have a new set at some point. Who knows? Because I think my wife has had enough of me in the living room now. But we'll see where we go with that. Lots of good stuff coming up in 2023. Lots of new releases coming out. We'll have a look at all of those as we go along. But mainly, I just wanted to let you all know I'm back. I'm recovered. I'm feeling much, much better. Family's doing well. I hope you all had a great festive period. Happy you had good times. Hope you did anyway. Hope you all enjoyed the new year. It's funny that we celebrate New Year, I think. We've celebrated the massive achievement of our planet orbiting the sun again. Yeah, I've got to get off Twitter too. I'm on it too much. So we'll stop this one here. Only a quick one just to say that I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. I'll be doing my next video very shortly. It'll be on what we can expect on FreeBSD for 2023. It's going to get some use. It's going to get some taking use. It's going to take some getting used to saying 2023. There we go. Just said it. All good. Right. I should get out of here. Leave you to get on with your day. Thanks for watching, guys, and thank you so much for your support. It really does mean the world to me and my family. They can't believe some of the comments that I had when I was in hospital. It's just, thank you. Absolutely gobsmacked. Really appreciate it. Hopefully I can repay you with some good content for you. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.